We're Adam and Joanne from InspiredTaste.net, and welcome to our kitchen.
Today we are showing you how to make roasted tomatillo salsa or salsa verde. This is one of our favorite salsas. It brightens just about everything you dip it into or serve with it. To start, remove the papery husks surrounding each tomatillo and then give them a rinse under cold water to remove any dirt or sticky residue. Add them to an oven-safe dish, then throw in some peppers for spice and a couple garlic cloves. Slide the baking dish under the broiler and broil until the tops of the tomatillos and peppers begin to blister. When they do, turn them so that they blister and blacken all over.
When they're done, pour in some stock. Chicken or vegetable stock work well, or if you don't have any, use water. Grab a wooden spoon to scrape any browned bits stuck to the bottom of the dish. That's got lots of flavor. Let things cool slightly, then peel away most of the skin of the peppers and remove the seeds. If you like spicy salsas, you can leave some or even all of the seeds in. Peel the garlic cloves, then roughly chop the garlic and peppers. Add the garlic, peppers, and tomatillos to a food processor along with about half of the liquid left in the dish. Roughly chop some raw onion and add it along with fresh cilantro, lime juice, and some salt.
Process the salsa until smooth. If it seems too thick, add a splash more of the liquid. Serve with chips or use in your favorite recipes. We love using this for our salsa verde enchiladas. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.